Hello brosis, welcome back to my channel. Today we are upgrading the air filter pipe that's connected to the turbo. So this is actually the new one. This is an old one. You can see it's been broken. Imagine this is actually 2005, so it's a plastic, and this one is a rubber. But the problem is this one's got a small tube and this one's got a big tube. So what I did is I went to the $2 shop and I bought this $2.50. Okay, this is they use it for knitting clothes.
Say what?
As you can see, this one is actually tube. Yeah, so now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna cut this one here and put this tube so I can reconnect it with the tube that I have here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This one, okay, here. You see that? That will go to that tube in here. So we need to put a clamp, or what do you call that? A clamp or ring clamp, whatever you call it. Okay. Now I got too many things to use it. I got here. You can see. Right, so we can use this, we can use this one on that one to tighten this one. Okay,
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know.
now we can install it. Look at that. Look at the old one.
Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to install this one. So we put the WD-40 on this side, so it's easy to install it. You put this one first because it's gonna be very hard when you put the bulk over won't be able to see it properly. Yeah, very important to have this. You don't hurt yourself. Okay. Move this in the way. Yeah. So it is to slip it. Very easy because it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we can put this one in here. Yeah, this side. This side here. So we put this one first. That way it's easy. Then hang on. Need to put this one. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay. Now we do the underneath. There is one tube underneath. We need to put it on. We will do that underneath later on because there's not much room here. This one is actually going like that because of the pipe here. Might need to cut. Not sure, but we'll put first. See how it goes. Yeah. See if we can reach it. Can reach it? Yeah, we can reach it. I think this one is yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Just gonna hold it. Again, we'll go closer. Go closer. And that's it. Do it with my one hand. I need to bring it closer there. There. There you go. Yeah, I think that way. Like that. A bit more closer. Okay. That's it. Has to be level when you do it.
Getting there. There you go. That's better. That's better. That's better, I think. Yeah, I think it's better. That way. Okay. Now we can do it manually. There you go. That's really tight. Okay. I think that's tighten up. Yeah, that's tighten up. I should show you what I've got here. There you go. Yeah, we just did it that side. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. Just tighten up this one. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Then you upgrade. Now we need to put this one. It's two here. Yeah, new angle. Yeah, can't see much. So this one need to. What is this? Need to tie this one here. Small one. Yeah. We'll do it manually. We don't want to force it. This one. There you go. And we're going to do it manually. Push it tight. There you go. That's really tight. Yeah. Doesn't have to be so tight because okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.
This is the upgrade I did with the silicone air inlet, or well, it's supposed to be an intake, but this is the intake. This is the exhaust that's actually under the turbos coming to the airbox. So the replacement that I did for the upgrade for the air inlet was actually a silicone. Okay, I thought it was actually a rubber. It looks like a rubber to me, but it's showing up on the website when I bought it is actually silicone. Okay, very successful project, and it's running. You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?